it's Jessie Lee, and welcome back to my show. I'm super excited to talk to you about different color personalities, and today I want to talk to you about the color personality blue, which I think a lot of you actually think I am, but surprise, I'm not. So I want to talk to you about the natural strengths of blue personality types, the natural weaknesses of blue personality types, and then just general personality traits of a blue color personality. So first of all, the strengths, right? Because we all have different strengths. Blues are very enthusiastic, and enthusiasm is contagious. I think that a lot of people, especially salespeople, tend to naturally be very blue and very enthusiastic towards whatever it is that they are selling, so this can be super beneficial. Another thing is that blues are just naturally optimists, and so I love people like that around me. I love people who see the brighter side of life. I love, the glass half full sort of people. And your blues are going to be a lot more of that than maybe your other personality types that we're going to talk about. Blues are also great communicators usually. And a lot of that has to do with the fact that blues like to talk. Okay. So they like to be bubbly and fun, but they're also good communicators, maybe just because they're talking a whole lot. Blues are very emotional and passionate people. So one of my favorite people, he's Italian and he's very blue, but he's very passionate, he's very emotional, he's kind of all over the place, but he's very bubbly, and that's very inviting to people, and they love that. That can cause somebody who's blue to be very motivational, very inspirational, and just that optimistic personality. They tend to be very outgoing. Blues, because they talk so much, maybe, they tend to be really good friends and people that always have a lot of people around them. They're really social people, and obviously that can be great, especially if you're in a networking business, to be somebody who's more social more than not. And then they're just fun-loving. So they're the big personalities that want to go out, and they want to be around people, and they want to see people, hug people, touch people, not in a weird way, and just, do fun stuff. They're going to be the people who want to go do Top Golf, or the people who want to go do a team dinner, or the people who want to go to the nail salon. They just want to be out and about because they tend to be pretty extroverted. Now, with all this good stuff that I just said, of course, there's going to be personality weaknesses. So let's go through some of the weaknesses of the blue personality. One of the things that's definitely a negative with the blues is that they tend to be unrealistic. They tend to be the exaggerators. Oh my god, you gotta see this. Oh, it's the best thing ever. Like, they're these people, right? Like, and you're just like, oh my gosh, like, are they telling the truth or not? Oh my gosh, this person, you gotta go to this event because it's gonna be the best event of the year. And you're like, really? Is it gonna be the best event of the year? Is it another best event of the year? Is it one of these things? Blues are not detail oriented, which sometimes that's not a negative, but for sometimes, especially if you're looking for details in something, that can be a bit alarming. You might be somebody who's like, I really, really would like some details in this kind of stuff. That would be great, but a lot of the time they're just not being detail oriented because they're disorganized, okay? So that can be obviously a character flaw, if you will. They're all over the place. They're the messier people. They're discombobulated. They're disorganized. They're very impulsive people. Oh, let's go now. Let's go do this. Oh, I just heard there's a macaroni and cheese festival on Saturday and Sunday. Can we go? Very impulsive, very ADHD, very ADD, whatever. Not like diagnosed, okay? I'm not a doctor, but that's kind of the personality type. Sometimes they are a little too talkative, so maybe they're social, but it's like they just can't shut up. That can be a little bit much sometimes. And then they're also just easily excitable, which can be negative sometimes, especially if you're trying to get a point across, right? So just general personality types, the blue is going to be very motivated by recognition. They're going to be flashier. They're going to like having nicer things. They're going to be the people who really want to be outgoing and be seen. They tend to be the people who really drive themselves towards social media and not away from it because, again, they like to be seen and they're really excitable people. They're very intuitive and fast when it comes to decision making. They don't really sit around, but that's because they're so fun. They just want to get things done. So they want to have friendly relationships. They want to have great opportunities. They want to be seen. They want to be flashy. They want to be out there. And so if you're thinking, wow, this really sounds like me, well, I'm just going to tell you, friend, you might be blue. And if you like this, or if you just want some more information on different color personality types like red, yellow, or green, just go ahead and check out these videos over here on this side over here, and you can check out the other ones and see if maybe you're more red, yellow, green, or hey blue, what's up blue? Bye guys, have a good one.